Hey, this is VP2EQH Quebec Hotels vertical here. We put up a couple months ago. The radials is buried into the ground, and you can see the card is now buried into the ground. Feline. It's feline. Put a loop on the bottom, and a little bit of guys right there. So that's what a vertical looks in the backyard. Doesn't take up any space at all. Look at that. Even look pretty. You can plant flowers on it. And there you go. And you can guide off wherever you want to. That's guide mango tree. That's guide to the fence. And that's guide to the wall. So there you go. Hey, from VP2EQH. Peace out. Vertical. Works great. QTH is all the way that way to all the way down there. That's a long way. It's a long run. All the way from there. I'll ask him how far that run is. Hey, good morning, VP2EQH Quebec Hotel. How you doing, sir?
Oh, I'm pretty good. I'm pretty good.
Great. How's your vertical working for you?
Working very good, very good.
And that covers wristbands?
40, 20, 15, 10.
Yeah, 10.
Yeah.
So how long is that run from the bottom all the way down here to the shack? How much feet is that?